Leadership teams rarely drift all at once. It happens slowly, usually after growth, after pressure, after a difficult season. At first, everyone is aligned. The vision feels clear. Communication feels easy. Decisions happen quickly. But as complexity grows, something begins to change. People become more focused on their own departments. Meetings become more tactical. Conversations become shorter. Assumptions increase. And gradually, the leadership team stops thinking together. I see this often in founder-led companies. Everyone is working hard, but they're no longer fully aligned around priorities, expectations, accountability, or what matters most right now. And when that happens, organizations begin to lose traction. Not because people are bad leaders, but because growth creates communication drag. Small misunderstandings become larger problems. Issues stay unresolved longer. People leave meetings believing different things were decided. And eventually, the founder starts carrying more and more of the organizational tension personally. Healthy leadership teams stay aligned because they create space for honest conversation. They slow down long enough to clarify priorities. They solve issues directly. And they build enough trust to tell each other the truth before problems become expensive. Alignment is not automatic. It has to be rebuilt continuously as the organization grows.